Hey guys, today I'll be entering into Damian Wayne Robbins' Batman Lego Stop Motion Contest. Well, it's an audition for Nightwing. Here we go. Okay, see you on the other side, I guess. Hey, looks like you could use some help. Well, I'll just stand here and watch. We got a big problem, Bruce. Hey, I have an idea. We can blow Mesa's eyes out. Well, that didn't work, now did it? Uh-oh. Now the monster's angry. Well, that was my entry. Bye, guys.